This is how you can check Saudi Arabia's national debt.
If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more. Presets and effects for life, click the link down below and enjoy the tutorial.
There's a couple different ways to do this. You can go to this first website, as you can see here, macrotrends.net, and you can see the debt from 1960 to 2024. It's currently up in an uptrend, and you have different historical data points as you were to scroll down, and a pretty good website. If you want a more in-depth website, then check this website, siecdata.com. As you can see, if we were to scroll down, you can see different key statistics. Over here, you can see their total exports, their total balance, their total imports, and if you scroll down, you have specifically imports to different countries and specifically just different things here. This is a really good website. The third website is the usdebtclock.org. Basically, if you were to scroll down, this is live data, and as you can see, Saudi Arabia is below Russia and above Spain. They have $367 billion in debt.